I want to start off by just saying what a privilege it is for me personally and for Winfield United to rub shoulders with people that are passionate about agriculture. I remember when AGTA was still a dream. The first discussion was with Mr. Rolf Meyer in 2018, we said this morning. And it's wonderful to see how this project has evolved over the years. I was involved in a previous life with a previous company. As Winfield United, we joined AGTA about a year ago, but we've been in discussions with Leona and a team for some time already. And it really is good to see how some of these projects that were ideas are coming to life. And I think it's so important to have these kinds of discussions, but then we also know that success in agriculture does not come from discussions and imbizos. It comes from the soil, it comes from being on the farm, it comes from making decisions at a farm level on a day-to-day basis. And that's where we see our role. We see our roles as Winfield United and our operating entities, Villa Crop Protection, Intelligrow, Metos, not as just input suppliers. We see our role as partners to farmers, partners to the value chain. We spend a lot of time to speak to industry organizations to understand what the needs are. We invest quite a bit in terms of research and development, bringing new products to the market. I've spoken about some of the weather stations that we've invested in. So recently there was 200 new stations in the Western Cape. We've got access to more than 700 weather stations, and we can use that to now make fairly detailed predictions on a weekly basis. We can use it for disease modeling. So really making a difference is important for us as a business. Our vision is to lead progression in agriculture. We do that based on 4 very important pillars. Firstly, focus on our customers and their real needs. How do we make a real difference at the farm gate? Secondly, everything that we do needs to be research-based, data-backed. We don't bring any product to the market or any service to the market if we don't believe in it. And then sustainability. We want to make a difference in the communities in which we operate. We don't want to run a business that will only be around for the next year. We want to have a business that will be built for generations to come. And then lastly, and it's probably the most important pillar, is partnerships. Partnerships across the value chain. Hopefully, we get into a position where we're not simply seen as an input supplier, but as a valued partner. So with that, great to be with you. Congratulations, Leona and team. I think I'm looking forward to your report later on, some wonderful work that you're doing. And congratulations to the initiators of this idea. Dr. Posa, Mr. Meyer, really well done. Kali, the inputs you've had over the years, I think it's been fundamental, and we're really proud to be a part of this process. So thank you very much.
We are here to future-proof agriculture in South Africa. We focus on our growers and the industry's needs. We form partnerships to ensure sustainability. And we bring you what you need to succeed. We're not here to blow sunshine up your silo. We stand for results rather than promises. And we get it done. We are Winfield United South Africa. We take on your challenges. We use our insights, our guts, and our leading network to figure out what's best, not what's easiest. Together, we move your operation forward, the whole industry too. We commit to being the partner you need and focus on the things that really matter. Winfield United South Africa, leading progression in agriculture.